Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Morin, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Terra USD on Binance and transfer it to your Terra Station wallet using Ledger. If today is your first time of watching or visiting my channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more video tutorials on crypto. So let's get started. Step 1, you need to get USDT. And if you are in Canada, one of the easiest ways for you to get USDT is on NDAX. If you don't have an NDAX account, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I did a comprehensive video on how you can open an NDAX account. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. I'm also going to link it up here. Okay? So now log into NDAX. Once you're logged into NDAX, you can see on my dashboard here that I don't have any dollar in my account yet, so I'm going to fund my account. If you don't know how to fund your account, I did a comprehensive video on how to fund your NDAX account. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I'm also going to leave a link up here on how to fund your NDAX account. So I'm going to go ahead and just deposit some Canadian dollars into my NDAX account. So as you can see, my account has been funded with the $70 that I just transferred from my bank. So step 2, we're going to buy USDT. So you're going to come here. It's already on USDT Canadian. So again, you can just search here. USDT is here. You select USDT amount. I want to use all the Canadian dollars in my account to buy USDT. So I'm going to select maximum. I'm going to select buy. Then it brings this out. This is the amount. This is the price per USD, the fee, and this is the balance I'm going to receive. Then I just click on confirm buying. Once I do that, the next thing that I'm going to do, step 3, log into Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to do that. I also did a video on how you can open a Binance account. I'm going to leave a link up here for that. So log into Binance. Once you log into Binance, the next thing you're going to come on the wallet, fiat and spot. So this is where we're going to get the address to withdraw the USDT. So next, you're going to click on deposit. What are we depositing? We're depositing USDT. So we're going to select the Binance Smart Chain. This is because this is much cheaper than using the ERC20. So we're going to select this, the Binance Smart Chain, that's BEP20. So select that. Then I'm going to copy my address. Step 4, you're going to transfer USDT to Binance. I'm going to go back into NDAX. Click on withdraw. I want to withdraw Tether, this one. Click on it. Next, I'm going to click on send. Here, I'm going to select Binance Smart Chain, BEP20. I'm going to paste my wallet address that I just copied from Binance. I'm going to paste it here. Next, I'm going to select the quantity of USDT that I want to send. If you want to send everything, you can just select max and it's going to show you. The reason why it's lower is because, again, the transaction fee. But for today's tutorial, I'm just going to send 30. Next, I'm going to check this box here. Click on send. It's going to bring out this page. Just click on proceed. I'm going to enter the authentication code. Once I do that, it also says you're almost done. Please check your email to confirm withdrawal. So I'm going to check my email to confirm this withdrawal. So I just received an email. So it says confirm your withdrawal. So I'm just going to confirm that on my phone. Once I do that, I'm going to get a confirmation page saying withdraw confirmation success. Okay, so now I'm going to go back on Binance and wait for that to come in. So I just received a notification on Binance that the USDT that I just sent from NDAX has already come in. This took literally about 1 minute. So you can see the notification here. So step 5, we're going to buy Terra USD. First of all, go to our wallet and check the USDT that just came in. So I'm going to go under fiat and spot. You can see that I have about 38 USDT. I used to have a balance of about 8 USDT, so and 30 USDT just came in. So next, I'm gonna go on the market. Next, you're gonna come on the spot market. Here, you're gonna search for UST. You can see the pair here, so just click on USDT. It's going to bring the combination. Click on trade. Next, you're going to scroll down a little bit, click on market. So I want to use all the USDT in my account to buy Terra USD. So that's the UST. So I'm just going to draw this all the way to the end here and just click on buy UST. You can see that the order has been fulfilled already. So I'm just going to go back to my wallet, fiat and spot. So you can see here that now I have Terra USD and I have 38 of it. Step 6, log into Ledger Live and enter your password. So once you're logged into Ledger Live, plug in your Ledger device and enter your PIN code on your Ledger. Currently, I'm using the Ledger Nano X. So if you don't have a Ledger wallet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the correct website to get your own Ledger device. Okay, so now plug in your Ledger device and enter your PIN code. Once you enter your PIN, the next thing you're gonna come under manager. Once you click on manager, you can see here it says Ledger Nano X, firmware is up to date. Always make sure that your firmware is up to date before doing anything on your Ledger. Okay. Step 7, install the Terra app. So now we're gonna search for Terra. You can see I've already installed Terra, but if I hadn't installed it, it's just going to say install. You're just going to click on install. So go ahead and search for Terra and install it. Once this is installed on your Ledger device, it's going to say installed. Once it is installed, it's going to show you this green button like this, says installed. So once you install Terra, then you can close out of your Ledger Live. So close out of this. We're done with this for now. Next, we're going to go to our Terra Station wallet. Step 8, you're going to go to station.terra.money. I'm going to leave the same link in the description below. Once you do that, it's going to bring you on this dashboard. And the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to click on connect. And this is where we want to connect with Ledger. So you're going to click on access with Ledger. Once you do that, you're going to open the Terra app on your Ledger device. So scroll to Terra on your Ledger device. Once it says Terra ready, then you can click on connect. Once you click on connect, it's going to bring you to your Terra Station wallet. So step 9, we're going to transfer the Terra USD that we just bought on Binance. We're going to transfer it to our Terra Station wallet. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is to get our Terra Station wallet address, and this is it. So click on it and click on copy. Once you copy this, you're going to come back into Binance, go under wallet, fiat and spot. So right here, Terra USD, I'm going to click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, I'm going to paste the address that I got from my Terra Station wallet here. This notification is shown. Just click on confirm. Automatically, it has already detected that this is a Terra address. Under memo, just type in 0. I'm going to be transferring all the Terra USD in my account. Note that there is a minimum quantity that you can send, and the minimum is 50. So I'm going to click on max. I currently have about 57, and this is the network fee, 1.2 UST. So this is the balance I'm going to be receiving, 55.8. I'm going to click on withdraw. Just click and it shows the address. Just click on continue. So it's going to email me the verification code. I'm going to do the same thing for the phone verification. Click on get code. Click on submit. And just click on complete. So now I'm just going to wait. Go to my Terra Station wallet and just wait for that to come in. Just refresh it and you can see it already shows 55.8 UST. So in our next class, I'm going to show you how you can deposit the same UST on Anchor and earn up to almost 20%. So we've come to the end of today's class. If you found any value whatsoever in today's tutorial, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question whatsoever, make sure you leave them below. I read all your comments and I'll be happy to answer them. So until then, I'll see you in the next class. I'm Blooming Omorin. Bye bye.